How to fix in case your MacBook Neo is not charging anymore. If you have this issue, I'll show you a few different solutions. So the trick number one, okay, if you connect it to a charger and nothing is happening, I suggest you do a force restart. So save any documents that needs to be saved. Okay, nothing will be lost if you save them. It's not a complete reset. It's simply a restart. We're going to turn off the computer by pressing this top right corner button during around 10 seconds until the screen is completely black. Keep it pressed. Once the screen is black, release your the button. Then wait 5 seconds and keep press this button again until you see the Apple logo on the display. Okay, release your finger and the Mac will boot up as usual. Unfortunately, after doing this, you're going to see the battery going up when you will connect it to a charger. Let's go to tip number 2 if this didn't do anything. Try charging your MacBook Neo using, well, another cable connected to another charger connected to another wall outlet. So make sure that you don't use the usual method you're used to charge your computer. By using these 3 different items, we're just going to rule out that the problem is not the charger cable or power outlet. I suggest you connect the MacBook the way I just showed you in a different USB port than the one you're using. So if you're used to charge it using the first one, we'll just switch to the second one. Leave the MacBook for at least 3 to 5 hours charging this way. If you can leave it overnight, hey, that's great. While keeping it connected to the charger, what I recommend, okay, is to open the lid. Okay, the screen will be black, mine is turned on. Okay, so simply at this point, keep press this power button during 10 seconds, as I instructed you at first. Wait until the screen is black and then press on it again. Keep it pressed until you see the Apple logo appearing. Unfortunately, after doing this, well, you won't have the issue anymore. Another thing you can try is to go over here on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, select System Settings, and where you see Battery, click on it. Then where you see Battery Health, click on the eye icon and make sure that over here, Optimize Battery Charging is turned off. Turn off until tomorrow or turn it off completely. Because as you see over here, there's a good chance that the MacBook is able to charge. It's just limiting this aspect. Sometimes if you enable this, it will charge until 80% and then it will stop. Sometimes it will stop even lower based on how you use your Mac. So turn this off, connect it to a charger, and fortunately you should see your battery level going up and up afterwards. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, check my Amazon links if you want to get accessories for this MacBook Neo, and I'll see you in the next video.